Hello, sir. How are you, sir?
Yeah. I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, sir. I'm also doing well.
Great. So, guys, welcome to my podcast, and we have a very special guest today, Rinki Sharma. So, Rinki, what's going on?
Yes, sir. Everything is going well, and I'm doing well in my life right now. And there are a lot of things in on my plate right now, so I'm just occupied.
So, so nice. So, let's get started. The very first question goes to you: that what do you do actually? What is your profession?
Yes. So actually, sir, I'm a homemaker.
Hmm.
So being a homemaker and doing something else, it's very arduous job. So though I'm just doing something, means I'm just teaching. As I learned grammar and according means when I have started my journey, English learning, and I have learned this language, and after that I started my own taking classes, and nowadays I'm just teaching some students.
Hmm. So, are you teaching online or offline?
Yes, sir. I'm teaching online, sir.
You're
There
teaching
is
on.
no any option of offline. So, and at my side, there are no not kind of person who just wants to come to another's house and just take this kind of English language means. Teaching way they don't like this kind of thing, so that's why I'm not interested to have a offline classes, so that's why I have chosen online classes right
Okay.
now.
So, how many students have you got?
It's like sometimes it increases and decreases. It's not a fix,
Hmm.
but yes, I have 7 to 8 students nowadays, so
Hmm.
it's a lack of time. I'm not able to teach them
Hmm.
because being a homemaker, it's very difficult to manage all those.
Hmm.
So though I'm just doing this, and means 3 to 9 o'clock, I just take my all the classes.
3 to 9.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great. So now just tell me something about your daily routine. Apart from teaching, what do you do?
Okay, sir. So at first, I wake up 5 o'clock in the morning,
Hmm.
and I have to prepare the breakfast for my kids because they are just a going student means kids. So that's
Hmm.
why I have to prepare for everything for them. And after doing household chores, I just read something because it's my daily habit. I just read something,
Hmm.
and basically I just read newspaper, and yes, when I scroll YouTube, I just see those kind of videos which is actually in English, nothing else, not
Hmm.
Hindi. Never ever I just interested to watch those kind of things which is in Hindi. So
Hmm.
I always used to I'm kind of person who always love to watch those kind of videos which is actually in English. So I just love to see what. And yes, basically I just watch news reporting.
Hmm.
And one of my favorite anchor, I would like to say about her, her name is Palki Sharma.
Hmm.
When she speaks, I just, I can't move my eyes. Like I just fixed my eyes there. So
Hmm.
I feel that I want to be like this kind of personality.
Hmm.
So I'm just striving a lot for this.
Okay,
And
that's okay. So how about your English speaking? Do you talk to someone entire day, or you just keep watching and learning only?
no, sir. I just talk to my every student in English,
Hmm.
and I have strongly said them that you have to speak only in English. No matter you are just going to speak broken English, but
Hmm.
you have to speak in English because when you start, only then you can improve. If you think that today I'm just going to learn and next day I will start, it's not like that.
Hmm.
You have to speak what you want to speak, no matter whether you are just speaking in broken. I am here to make you understand what's
Hmm.
going wrong. Okay, so that's the things I always talk them in English, nothing more than that.
Sometimes it happens like there are certain people, females or maybe males, they always say that they know everything in English, but they are
Yes.
not able to speak. So when this question comes, what would be your suggestion to them?
Yes, if you are really don't know how to deliver the sentences and
Hmm.
what you want to speak, the expression, the feelings, what you have right now, so little bit you are allowed to speak in Hindi.
Hmm.
But most of the time, what you are able to speak,
Hmm.
you have to speak in English. Not
Hmm.
more. You are not allowed to speak the simple one. You have to speak because I am here to make you understand.
Hmm.
Because let me know whether you are just going wrong or right.
Hmm.
I have to correct you. I have to make you understand.
Hmm.
This is my job. So I'm not basically just teaching them. I'm just improving their means fluency
Hmm.
and polishing their fluency. Bus,
Suppose
little bit.
there is a lady. Suppose there is a lady, and she comes to you and she says, "Hey, I know grammar, I know everything, but I don't know what to speak. I don't know when to speak. I have everything in my head, but when it comes to speaking, I'm not able to speak." So, what would be your suggestion to those ladies or those people?
So at first, I if I talk about in this topic, I would
Hmm.
like to say you
Hmm.
be confident that I am good in Hindi, no matter, because it's my mother tongue. I'm good in it, so it's enough for me. Okay,
Hmm.
I'm not making any mistake in Hindi. It's
Hmm.
a good sign that you are a good speaker.
Hmm.
And when it comes about English, it's a second language. And when you are just learning something, it's obvious you are just going to make a lot of mistakes. So you are allowed to make mistakes. But
Hmm.
you have to accept this. If
Hmm.
I'm going to make any mistake,
Hmm.
I'm accepting this. Okay. Then only people would accept you. Otherwise, if you feel hesitation and you don't feel the confident, more confident, so people would never accept you. They would definitely judge you whether you are not means you don't have any kind of confidence, you have lot of hesitation,
Hmm.
so you are not prepared right now to speak. So I feel whatever you have right now, the
Hmm.
grammar, whatever you have, you were taught, everything you have to come, let it come out. Okay,
Hmm.
allow your mind to speak everything.
Hmm. Hmm.
When
Hmm.
you get stuck,
Hmm.
it's like normal, everybody does like this kind of things.
Hmm.
So I feel when you make any mistake, only then you can get the right thing. So
Hmm.
these things, like, I just would like to suggest them.
Means they should speak every day. At least they should try every day, right? Yeah.
No matter what.
Hmm. 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 That's lovely.
If Let me tell you one thing, sir.
Hmm.
You know what, my husband, he doesn't know how to speak in English,
Hmm.
but he knows very well that whatever I'm just talking to him,
Hmm.
he is just able to understand that. It's enough for me. So
Hmm.
I always talk to my husband in English. Okay,
Hmm.
so it makes me very confident, and that time he appreciates a lot.
Hmm.
So I feel, yes, I'm doing something well. And as well as I am just teaching my kids also,
Hmm.
because they have to, survive more in future
Hmm.
if they don't know about this language.
Hmm.
So I think, okay, if I am just getting this, I have to spread this, I have to share with everyone.
Hmm.
So that's the things I have started, and I never ever stopped resist myself. No, you have to stop here. After learning this language,
Hmm.
I was like thinking, like, what the next,
Hmm.
what I will, what I have to do next.
Hmm.
Then I said, no, I should not sit like this. I
Hmm.
have to do something. So let's share this kind of experience to others.
Hmm.
Then I have decided, and I got one student from Facebook,
Hmm.
as because I have a group
Hmm.
and I'm just running this. So
Hmm.
I got a student from there.
Hmm.
And he said, ma'am, would you like to teach me? Then I said, okay. And it was my first experience.
Hmm.
Then I said, and when you have one student and very first time you're just going to teach someone,
Hmm.
so at first you have to be very confident about, and you're not supposed to do any mistake.
Hmm.
So then I thought, okay, if that guy is connected with me right now, so it's sure that he is not more knowledge, means knowledgeable more than me.
Hmm.
So whatever I have, I can spread, I can share with him. Then I started teaching him, and I started, experiencing that what kind of teaching and how I can teach others. So
Hmm.
it was my first experience when I was started that.
Okay. When did you think of learning English? Was there any time when you thought, "Oh my God, how to speak in English? What to do?" Tell me something about that experience.
Okay.
Hmm.
So, sir, what happened? It's my childhood memories I'm just
Hmm.
telling about. And I was very passionate about this. When I saw a lot of people were talking, and basically 90s era, I'm the kids of 90s era.
Hmm.
So that time, the social media was not there.
Hmm.
And we had only books, and we had only some teachers who, talked in English to each other. So we saw like that. those kind of personality. And one day when I went to my brother's school, and I saw my, because my brothers, they were like English medium student, and I was in Hindi medium student. So that time when I saw them, they were talking in English. Even my brother was talking in English, and he started, saying that it's not kind of your job, and it's like it's not a cup of tea for you. Then it's triggered me a lot. And I thought one day I'll definitely give you the answer. Then I decided. So I told my father, and my father said, yes, sir. My father said, okay, I'm going to help you a little bit. And he gave me one book and said me that you have to make translation. Every day, at least make 20 translation. And I started doing that. And it was my passion, and I was very crazy about that. And I used to do every day the same. And after writing that, I started like, if I can write, I can speak that. Then I started speaking with my father. And he was means he doesn't know how to speak, but yes, I started with my father. Then the passion I just carried forward from there. Then I never ever left this job. Like, no, I have to stop here. Then I thought, no, I have to do something. And after got married, I thought it's not my life. I was not like kind of person that who got married and after that sit at alone at home and nothing, doing nothing. It is not my life. I have to choose something. Then I decided, yes, I have to learn this language. And I came across with one of the app, but I'm not going to, reveal the name here. So I joined there for 1 month, but it didn't work. They said, you can improve, you can improve. I know that I can improve, but it's your job. Make me improve. Like how you are just talking, just make me like that. Then they said, you can improve, you can improve. Then I said, okay, it's not going to work for me. So I just left that. And I came across one of your videos and it was my luckiest day. And I thought that the guy who's teaching, it's directly teaching to me. Like I'm sitting in front of that guy and he's talking to me directly. And I felt, oh my God, like I'm sitting in the class. And I felt, no, I have to connect with you. No matter how, no matter what, I have to connect to you. Then I decided to join your class. And after joining your class, I got to know this is called grammar. When I was being taught in school grammar, it was not actual grammar. It was not enough for me. It was very confined. Then I thought, okay, now I'm just getting it, and I just grabbed that. And it after that, it changed my life totally. And then I got confident, and right now I'm here in front of you.
So nice, so nice of you, so nice of you. Lovely. So, what happened to your brother? Did you teach him a lesson or not?
Yes, no, yes, recently, sir. I just want to share you one. Well, I went to my mom's house, and basically he's my cousin. Okay, so I went there, and he said, "What are you doing nowadays?" Then I said, "I'm teaching. I'm online teacher." Then what? Then he saw one of my videos. Then he said, "Oh my God, you are talking without editing. It's like raw video." Then I said, "Yes." So you speak very well. Then what I wanted, he spoke. Then I said, yes, that's the thing I wanted to, listen from you. And you just spoke about that. So he thought, oh my God, you took very seriously. Then I said, yes, what do you think about that?
Really?
So, yes, it made me very confident. And at that time, I was over the moon. I thought, oh my God, my dreams comes true right now. And everything is happening very well now in my life.
Lovely. Now, there are some students who have one question. The question is
Okay.
like, yeah, they learn a lot of words meaning, but they are not able to execute those words when they need.
Yes.
So, have you worked on this? Do you have any solution to
Yes,
this?
sir.
Hmm.
If you get any new words and if you really want to apply those, because old one is very repetitions are it's like very repetitive and you should not use again and again. So if you want to learn something new, so I feel what I did, I'm just sharing here. I wrote that those kind of things like any vocabs from wherever I just found that, I just wrote that. And that time what I did, like once I just made one sentence, okay, and it was like it was not enough for you, okay, but I thought, okay, if I today I just made one sentence, tomorrow again I just make another one, okay, at least 3 days continuously I just worked one vocab. every day because lack of time. So, and I started using with my students also. Deliberately, I said all those things, means I have to do practice as well as I'm doing my practice because I have to teach them. So, I side by side, I was learning how to, recall those kind of new vocabs and teach them. So, I started applying on those personality, every student and my spouse and my kids also. So these the things made me like that. Yes, now I got it and it is in my dictionary right now. So whenever it's needed, I can speak about this. So I think you have to do some, hard work for one vocab. It's not as easy as we think.
Hmm.
So I just did like this and still I'm doing this. I've been doing this for a long time. So
It means you have to learn and you have to use those words, right?
yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Because you told me, because you spoke many time in your videos that if you have to work one vocabs, you have to speak a story or you have to make sentences, whatever, but play with that vocabs. It's very necessary. Only written, it's not enough. Only listening, it's not enough. You have to learn, like you have to come, let it accept your mouth. Okay. Then only you can speak about that.
Okay. What about your goal or your target of becoming a motivational speaker? So, are you going to do that as well?
Okay, sir. So in future, I literally want to become a public speaker. So that's why I just want to speak what I want to speak, and I just want to inspire those people who actually, means they are just doing hard work for this language. And basically, the villagers, they don't have their idea that how to learn alone at home because they don't have anyone. Even we don't have anyone. Everybody has like the same problem. So how can we deal with this kind of situation? I just like to share with all of them because I have no one, I don't have anyone, so I can speak every time. But yes, I uses those people. Means if you are listening me, it's enough for me. Because yes, I just want one person who can listen me every time because it's works. And I just did like this, and I spoke many times that how you should do your practice alone because if you think you can do, I know that it was my dream once and now it's became true. Means I am very satisfied. So the things, the way I have learned, I'm just sharing, and I want to do like a good speaker, public speaker. So I want like that, sir, and I have to do a lot of things.
Good, good, good. So nice of you. Now, coming to newspaper reading, some people have
Yes.
issues understanding the newspaper. So, where do you find yourself in comprehending the newspaper articles? You face
So
problems or
earlier, yes, definitely. I would like to share you. Earlier, I was not able to understand the newspaper language. It is very different. We know that spoken English is very different from the newspaper English. That time, I thought there is no ESMR. It was strongly. I have seen that there is no any kind of ESMR. It's not a simple English, but it was written in only in passive because you can't point out one personality there in newspaper. So they have used they have used like only passive. So after getting passive and after learning conditional, then I got to know that yes, right now I'm able to learn newspaper and whatever just written in the newspaper, I'm able to write means understand that, and I can read that, and I can make you understand whatever is written here. So I just learned like that. When I got to know what is passive, what is conditional, simple tenses are not, like basically it's not enough for reading a newspaper. Basically, we have to learn passive, conditional passive, and means a lot of things mixing. So now I just got to know that what is written here, and actually I just one of my student, he needs means newspaper reading and make me understand about ma'am. Then I just started doing this a little bit cutting, and I just start speaking with them, and I start making them understand what is written here. So like this, nowadays I'm just reading newspaper every day. Just every Sunday it comes newspaper at my home. So 1 week continuously I just finish all that newspaper. And while you are just reading newspaper, you can improve your language as well as pronunciation as well as. So I feel if you have to speak more and more, just read newspaper. because there is no any kind of restriction. You have lot of stuff to speak about, so you can do like this kind of thing. Then I when I get free time, I just read newspaper.
So nice of you. Some people say, like if you see in market, some people say that, come on, spend 45 days, be fluent in English. Come on, it's a 3 months course, be fluent in English. Is it really possible, do you think?
No, sir. No, no, no. It's totally wrong. And it's like, it's, I don't feel like it's my personal experience. Which kind of people are saying this kind of things and how they are just learning. I'm just very surprised about listening this. But yes, it's very hard to, it's like hard nut to crack English. It's not a single things that you can grab one day and you started speaking next day. It's not like a pills. Okay, so I feel that it's take a lot of time, and it depends on your practice base. If you do a lot of practice and if you give 5 to 3 hours continuously English, so you are just going to elevate this language very soon. Otherwise, it will take a lot of time. You are just keep watching those videos and you are not working on it. Only you just keep watching. It's not enough for you. You have to apply those. This is the things works only. So I thought it's not very simple task, and it's very arduous, sir. Like English learning is not very easy. But yes, if somebody have faith on you and you are just doing something, you are just doing hard work, you are striving a lot, only then you can get this language properly. And you think that, okay, I see only 15-minute video and I speak to 10 to 5 minute, 15 minute in a day. It's not going to work very fast. Like you have to speak whole day when you free. Just, and what I do, sir, literally I'm just going to say those kind of homemakers who don't have their supports and they don't have any kind of this kind of facilities, they can sit alone and can learn this language. So what I do, I just when I do my chores, I just always think in English, and I talk to myself. What comes in my mind? Let me see. I'm very aware of that, and try to change those in English. Literally, I do, sir. It's very silly thing, and it's very, I think it's very bizarre. I don't know what to say, but yes, I do this kind of thing. I never let my mind alone. You don't have to do anything. You have to do anything. What I just want to say, you have to do. You have. I'm just controlling my mind, so I can say like that.
Cool.
My mind is not controlling me.
So, like, was joining English with Chandan beneficial for you, or it was not?
Only then I got language, sir. What I say after joining you, sir. Literally, sir. It's my what I say, sir. When I got to know that you are just taking this class and the way you are just teaching, sir. No one can teach like that, sir. Literally, I haven't seen, I haven't watched any kind of videos like they are just sharing what you feel. You just express. Okay, and the teaching way, mind blowing, sir. A beginner can feel very comfortable. They would never get bored about that. They would never get like, oh my god, it's very difficult. They would feel very comfortable if they are just joining you. And I was the kind of person that time when I joined you, I was not good in my English. I was lacking lot of helping words. ESMR was not clear. The second form was not clear. I was not able to speak a single story, even about myself. When I joined you, and literally I started thinking, what you make me understand, like how to speak, the daily routine. It's like pills, you are just taking 3 times. So, means the morning, the noon and at night. And you said like, before going to sleep, you have to speak at least 5 minutes about yourself. It's worked a lot, sir. Literally. The way you're just saying, the way you are just everything, just explaining how to do practice, everything works, sir. If somebody is going to work on it, they would definitely get this language very soon, sir. So whatever I'm just right now and I'm able to speak right now. And yes, I consider myself that I am advanced level speaker. So just because of you, sir. You are
So
the
nice.
god of English, sir. I have never ever seen any kind of teacher like you, sir. Literally. I just really very happy to seeing that this kind of personality in front of me.
So nice of it.
Literally, sir.
These days on YouTube, like some people are teaching something wrong as well. I have seen, no? On YouTube you can see
Yes,
some
sir.
some wrong
And I think,
structures and all.
yes, sir. And what they are just doing, sir, they are just gathering some information, whether it's correct or not. Without knowing this, they are just spreading all over the YouTube. And the reason they don't know behind this, only you can make us understand why. Why always you just said, in YouTube, why? If somebody asks why, you can give any kind of answer, like what is the reasonable answer. But they don't have this kind of, clarification about what would be, why it is like that. They don't have like this kind of clarification, but you have, sir. So whenever I get stuck, I just connect you and you made me understand why it's happening. So it's like lovely to join your class. And right now, whatever I'm just speaking and I'm taking my classes just because of you, sir. So I just literally very thankful to you, sir, that I had a personality with me and he taught me a lot. So it's like very good thing. And my experience was you. It was fantastic, sir.
Lovely.
Literally.
Now, last question. There are some
Yes.
ladies, they don't want to turn their cameras on. They are always, hesitating. No, sir, don't let me turn on my camera. So, what message would you like to give to them? Because they want to speak English, but they don't want to turn on their cameras.
Yes, sir, definitely. So, yes, sir. It's a. I have some student. They don't allow me to, open the camera. So that's why I'm not able to put a lot of videos of my students and all that. So I would like to say those kind of personality that if you think that why do you learn this language? Why are you learning this language? Just because to face the public? If you can't show your face to the public and you directly talk to them, so it's useless. If you're just hiding yourself, you are not exploring yourself, you are not just want to judge yourself whether I'm good or not, so how it is going to be possible? Okay, so just open the camera, and when you open once your camera, you are just going to addict. Okay, because you are going to have this addiction. Next time I'll definitely do the, because this is the experience. So all about like your experience, and if you have to remove the hesitation, just face the camera. So I feel that when you face the camera, you have two things with you, like you can face the public as well as, and you will have lot of confidence, and you can see that yes, I spoke in front of many people. So I feel it was my first hesitation that time, but though I just did like that, I said okay, bad or good, it will be, I will see next time, further whatever will happen, I don't care about that. But
Definitely.
let me see what is the experience about that. I just wanted to explore the experience. So they
Lovely.
should open their camera, they should put their, they should allow you to put their, open face camera and all that, with open camera.
Good, good. So nice. And I must say, Rinki, that you are so confident and you're so fluent. I can see you. You're so
Thanks a
fluent.
lot, sir.
Lovely,
so
lovely. One
so
day,
is there anything, sir, I have to improve something?
see, while speaking, I can understand sometimes grammar error. It happens. So quite common. Like when you say like it, you addict. You can say you get addicted.
Addicted,
है तो
yes, sir.
वो थोड़ी
Yeah,
बहुत प्रॉब्लम वो आती है बट ठीक है
yeah.
द वे यू आर स्पीकिंग सो फ्लुएंटली नो बडी इज देयर टू कैच कि अच्छा यहाँ ईडी नहीं लगाया नो बडी इज गोइंग टू कैच दिस इज
Yes, sir, I have learned like that. If you make any mistake, just speak little bit, like as you are very familiar with this language.
यस
So
यस यस
I felt like that, sir, and I started speaking.
लवली
Okay, sir.
बहुत अच्छा है ठीक है मिलते हैं बहुत जल्द फिर मिलते हैं
Okay, sir.
चलिए थैंक यू
Thank
रिंकी
you.
टेक केयर है थैंक
Thank you. Thanks a lot, sir.
यू
Thank
ओके
you, sir.
बाय